Welcome to KNUTH Machine Tools. Today we would like to show you one of our top sellers. This machine is ideal for single part and series production for drilling, countersinking, reaming and tapping. Some of the features on this great little number are: there are infinitely variable speed adjustment with back gearing and digital speed display. You also have 4 automatic drill feeds with electromagnetic clutch control and automatic shut-off. And you have a large drilling table with height adjustment and a plus-minus range, 45 degrees swivel range. So there you go, get in touch with your KNUTH representative today to find out more.